How do you come up with an endless supply of brilliant ideas to sell on Amazon? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a very simple formula that you can apply right now to help you come up with brand new money-making information products to sell on Amazon, whether that's here in Australia or indeed right around the world, works anywhere. With that being said, let me show you. Somebody give me a common ailment that humans have, a common ailment that humans have, okay? And we can actually just search for this too. Top 10 most common chronic diseases: Alzheimer's, dementia, okay? Well, arthritis, eczema, low energy, back pain, rosacea, sore feet. All of this stuff, what you're putting in the chat, this is gold, okay? So once you come up with something like that, okay, whatever it may be, then research into dementia, for instance. And it could be anything that you've just discussed: eczema, arthritis, backache, sore feet, dry skin, whatever it may be, okay? So, new research identified a blood biomarker. Well, okay, I wonder what that blood biomarker is. And I wonder if it's something that I could either come up with a machine to sell for people. Like, would a blood biomarker machine be important? I don't even know if that's something what you can sell. Showing results for search instead for blood biomarker. Okay, cool. So, you know, I can sell what looks like a analysis machine. That's something I would never have thought of selling. I wonder if it's something I can kind of bundle together with my dementia thing. Okay, what else? 7 new developments in dementia research. Jelly drops, an exciting new invention to help combat dehydration in dementia. Bite-sized sweets help reduce dehydrate. Okay. Jelly drops. Jelly drops to reduce dehydration. So, well, that's something I didn't even know existed. Jelly. So these are sweets to rehydrate you. I don't know why people with dementia would need them. Maybe they forget to drink or something like that. I've got no idea. But as an idea, that's kind of interesting. Hydration products. Could I then take that hydration product and sell it to other people who might get dehydrated, such as runners, athletes, and people like that? Probably. Huh. There we go. So jelly drops for hydration dementia. It's a thing. It's a thing. I don't know what the search volume is like, of course, but that's something that exists. I wonder if that exists in Australia. I wonder if that exists in the UK. I wonder if that exists in Germany. Okay. So that's something I would definitely go and explore. And then once I explored it for dementia, I'd then go and explore it for other like subsets of society where dehydration could be a problem. Okay, I'd go and explore that. And again, my thing here is I don't want to judge my ideas yet. What I want to do is come up with a shitload of ideas. And then once I've come up with heaps and heaps of ideas, what I can then do with those ideas is start the process of critically analyzing them. So do I want to sell the product? What's the search volume like? Is it a product that's trending up, or has it already reached its peak, or is it trending down? Am I at the beginning of the marketplace? Can I create a new market? Is there a market on Amazon for it? So all those questions we then take ourselves through. I'm going to do that after I've come up with all the ideas. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. 2,500 members and growing, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, then get yourself off to www.aussie onlineentrepreneurs.com.au, or you can just Google Aussie online entrepreneurs and you'll find us that way too. With that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.